Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Amelia. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my fall hair care routine with the help of Curl Mix. You guys know I've been using Curl Mix for the past year or so, and I'm absolutely in love. And they have come out with new products, so I'm super excited to show you guys. This is not only my fall hair care routine, this is also how I've been taking care of my hair and how it's been growing super quick back from that haircut I got a few months ago. So my hair has been flourishing with this wash day routine. So let's get into it. First, you'll see I'm taking off this beanie. I just got back from the gym. And if you saw my fall night routine, you'll see that I still have these flat twists in with leave out in the front because I've been wearing wigs throughout this week. But we're just gonna get into the washing, okay? We're gonna take these flat twists out and get right into our first step, which is, of course, shampoo. So here's a little texture shot, a little growth shot, okay? So look how, oh, and we're just happy to have a clean bed in the back. But here's my hair. It is growing, you guys. It is sprouting out this new texture. You know, we're still getting used to this, but I'm super happy with how my hair is progressing. So Curl Mix has a ton of different wash and go systems, but my favorite is the watermelon system. It has organic hemp seed oil in it, and it's used to promote hair growth, which is what we're working on here. So as you can see, that shampoo is a clarifying shampoo. I have no complaints about this shampoo. As you can see, it sets up nicely. It's getting my scalp super squeaky clean. My curls are like flourishing even with the shampoo, which is phenomenal. And I'm trying this whole wash my hair outside of the shower thing to see how I feel about it, so we're gonna see how that progresses throughout the video. But here we are, just getting all that attention to my scalp. So now we're going to move on into the new products that Curl Mix has come out with, and that is their new deep conditioner. Ooh, I'm so excited. This deep conditioner is the perfect consistency. It's not too thick for my low porosity hair. It's not too thin. Smells amazing. I don't know even how to explain it to you. It smells like a good sweet smell, really relaxing. So I'm just kind of rubbing that throughout the large section of my hair, and then you'll see me divide and conquer and do smaller sections. So this deep conditioner comes with a leave-in conditioner as well. This is called their Ultimate Deep Conditioner Kit, and these two products are so far phenomenal. It has a strawberry hibiscus scent to it. That's the word I was looking for. And it's just super moisturizing. As you can see, my curls are starting to clump up. I'm constantly just drenching my hair with water just to get the product in there, and it's just really treating my curls with some love. No complaints with this deep conditioner. After this, we're going to let it sit with a shower cap for 15 minutes. I didn't use heat, but I totally think you can with this. I wouldn't even be surprised, but I just followed the directions, threw on a shower cap, waited 15 minutes, maybe 20, and moved on to the next styling portion. In this hair growth journey of mine, since, you know, growing out my new cut, I told myself every week we are going to deep condition, okay? We're gonna have a wash day routine and we're gonna stick to it. And honestly, you guys, you've heard it before, consistency brings results. So this system, the wash and go system and the deep conditioning system from Curl Mix, it just keeps it simple. You have your shampoo, you have the deep conditioner, you have the leave-in, you have the stylers, it's all there for you. Just be consistent, you'll see results. Just follow through all the steps and you'll see results, just like I did. Your hair will flourish and it will love you for it. So here I am putting on the shower cap, and there we are. Plopping all the hair on top and just throwing on the shower cap, and like I said, 15 minutes. With the deep conditioner still in my hair, they recommend after the 15 minutes to go ahead and detangle. As you saw there, I'm going to use my tangle teaser, which with the combination of the deep conditioner and the tangle teaser, both of them combined, this process was so easy, so simple. My hair is already just soft and lovely, and the knots have already slipped out. You know, all the tangles are gone and melted away, so the tangle teaser just kind of slides on through. And of course, you know, having shorter hair, this process only took about 6-7 minutes. Like, it was a phenomenal detangling process. After rinsing out the deep conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair where I want my side part to be, and we're gonna get into styling. Today I chose a wash and go. Of course, this system is great for a wash and go, but you could also do other protective styles, which I'm gonna share with you guys next week. Some styles I've been doing to help my hair grow and to keep my hands out of it. But this system's really great, this wash and go system, because once you do your hair on wash day and set it and style it and all that, you don't have to do your hair the rest of the week. This wash and go will last you. Try it out, trust me. So here I am just parting my hair. You'll see me constantly keep my hair wet because my hair just reacts better when it's wet and the products are able to slip through. Now we're going in with their leave-in moisturizer, leave-in conditioner. This stuff is amazing as well. I really like how quickly this stuff clumps up my hair. And as you can see, it's like a lightweight, really milky consistency, which if you've been following me for a while, I've been transitioning over to leave-ins that are milks, things like that, you know, just really lightweight. I really feel like my low porosity hair really kind of like sucks those products in better. And of course, I don't get any flaking or clumping or any issues with product buildup. And then, of course, to top everything off, if you haven't heard of Curl Mix's flaxseed gel, you've been under a rock. You've been under a rock, friend. Their flaxseed gel, like, they need to sell it in a whole gigantic jar. Like, I know they make their products, you know, on a case-by-case basis. I get it. But the flaxseed gel is phenomenal. I love this stuff. I remember trying to make my own flaxseed gel back in my beginner natural days, and that was a headache. So to have it like packaged up like this and be the right consistency, lightweight and moisturizing, like, just chef's kiss. I love this stuff. And of course, it's part of the watermelon line. It has the hemp seed oil in it, which just some fun facts. Organic hemp seed oil is loaded with healthy omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, which will help your hair grow and help that whole process. It's also packed with vitamin E, iron, and zinc. So just a whole bunch of great stuff is all in this system. So it is sped up here, but this process was super easy. The leave-in conditioner quickly plumped up those curls. I'm finger detangling just to get that final definition. The gel sliding on well. Everything is just setting into place. That's what I really love about Curl Mix. Like, it's just fail-proof. Like, everything is there. Everything goes together. Your hair's gonna love it. It's perfect. It's just the greatest wash and go system I have ever found. Now here's the final look with all the products in there. I got a little carried away with the gel, so you'll see. I'll rub that in later. But here it is on this side. We're almost done, and this is perfection. Like, if your hair looks like this, the drying process will also look like this. Like, that's the goal. So here we are with the whole head completely done. Again, like I said, if the curls look good in this stage, when you dry them, baby, they're gonna dry and look just as good. So here we are, just giving you a quick 360. So in the fall time, we're diffusing, okay? So we're gonna have our settings on low and warm. I've been really practicing with this diffusing thing, you guys, and I've been trying new things, and here are my quick tips, okay? So after we have all the products in, we're gonna let those products sit in our hair for about 30 minutes. Then we will go in and diffuse on a low heat setting, warm setting. So that's been working for me. I'm not gonna lie, this isn't my favorite part. I'm impatient. Like, how long does it take? You know, it takes a while. So, but I will say this is what locks everything you just did in. It helps it last throughout the week, so you're not constantly going in and having to redo your hair every day. So it's a little tedious, but it's worth it. So we're just gonna, you know, top it all off with a little bit of edges. You know, I just still don't know how to do my edges, y'all, so I'll just be smudging some stuff on there. This hair is not completely dry. This hair is probably 90% dry. I did finish, you know, the last 10% with air drying, which is totally fine. It works for me. You know, just experiment with your diffusing process. All right, we're just gonna let my hair bake and set overnight and come back in the morning to it being 100% completely dry. And here we are the next morning, completely dry. I did not stretch out my hair. I really just wanted the curls to kind of sit for at least a day or two. Over the few days in the week, it will stretch out and get even bigger. But here's my hair, y'all. It was super defined, moisturized. Every curl had love. It has a little bit of frizz because, you know, your girl just kind of slept with the bonnet and, you know, I don't stress it, you know, just have a bonnet on and go to bed. But here we are, you guys. This is my fall routine. This is what I've been following to get my hair to grow and flourish. And I'm just feeling myself because it's fall and I just did my nails. You know how it is. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Curl Mix, for sponsoring this video. You guys check them out. I'll leave their website down below. Look at the site, see what products they have. I think it's a really good investment in your hair journey. And as I'm recording this voiceover, we've reached 10,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh. I'm so thankful for all of you. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, tuning into these quirky little videos of mine. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.